let's review a great home stretch that you can do for the thoracic spine. So thoracic extension is one of the most important postural exercises you can do at home because we spend all day in what we call an upper cross position. You know, you're sitting at your computer, the shoulders round forward, the head comes forward, then we cock the head up and we start getting irritation in the cervical spine. It all comes from this back of the thoracic spine right here. So we want to open the thoracic, open the chest, okay? This foam roll stretch is one of my favorites for that. So we got the butt right on a half foam roll. Sophia, I'm gonna have you lie all the way down, okay? Keep your knees bent, okay? All the way up. And first thing we're gonna do is actually scoot down a little bit so we get that, make sure we get the head right on there. Perfect. First thing we're gonna do is lock out the core. So do a full pelvic tilt for me, flatten out your lumbar spine, perfect. So we're tightening up the stomach, low back is flat on the roll. Next thing we're gonna do is a slight chin tuck to relax to relax the cervical spine. And then we're gonna bring the arms up, both of them. Get both of those arms up. There we go, okay? And we're gonna bend the elbows, okay? And we're gonna squeeze those shoulder blades together. What tends to happen is that back likes to arch, okay? So keep that low back glued to the foam roll really tight, good. Squeeze those shoulder blades together and now reach up to the sky as hard as you can while you keep that stomach tight. And we're gonna hold that for 15 seconds. Good, so reach as high as you can, squeeze those shoulder blades together, keep that stomach tight, don't let that back arch. Good, and relax, good. Okay, we're gonna do that about 1,000,000 times. Again, seriously, do it about 10 times, but you can't do this exercise too much. This isn't something that, that you do once and you're done with. You can do it throughout the day. It's a good postural cue. Just try to get on this roll as much as possible. So let's do it one more time. Stomach's tight, chin tucked, arms up, elbows bent. Squeeze the shoulder blades together with the stomach tight and reach to the ceiling. Hold that position for about 15 seconds. Good, after 15 seconds, lower back down, rinse and repeat. Good.